Event marketing is the process of promoting and creating excitement around an event, such as a concert, trade show, or conference. Promotional videos can be a powerful tool for event marketing, as they allow event organizers to showcase the highlights and benefits of the event to their target audience. When creating promotional videos for events, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Know your audience. The first step in creating a promotional video for an event is to understand who your target audience is and what they're looking for. This will help you tailor your video to speak to their interests and needs, and ensure that it effectively promotes the value of the event to them. Highlight the key features and benefits. Your promotional video should focus on the key features and benefits of the event, and clearly communicate why someone should attend. This could include showcasing the speakers, performers, or exhibitors that will be at the event, or highlighting the networking opportunities or educational sessions that will be offered. Use visually appealing footage. Promotional videos should be visually appealing and engaging, so be sure to use high-quality footage that showcases the event in a positive light. This could include photos or videos of the venue, shots of past events, or interviews with speakers or attendees. Keep it short and sweet. Promotional videos should be concise and to the point, as most people have short attention spans when it comes to online video. Aim for a video that's no longer than 2-3 minutes, and get straight to the point of why someone should attend your event. Include a call to action. At the end of your promotional video, be sure to include a clear call to action that tells your audience what to do next. This could be a link to your event website where they can learn more and purchase tickets, or a phone number they can call to get more information. There are many different types of promotional videos that you can create for your event, depending on your goals and audience. Some options might include teaser trailer. A teaser trailer is a short, attention-grabbing video that gives a sneak peek of what's to come at your event. It's designed to build anticipation and excitement, and encourage people to learn more and sign up. Event highlights. An event highlights video is a longer, more comprehensive video that showcases the key features and highlights of your event. It's a great way to give people a sense of what they can expect if they attend. Speaker or performer interviews. Interviews with speakers or performers can be a great way to showcase the value of your event and give people a sense of what they'll be able to learn or experience. Event testimonials. Testimonials from past attendees or partners can be a powerful way to promote your event, as they provide social proof and demonstrate the value of the event to others. By creating a promotional video for your event, you can effectively communicate the value of your event to your target audience and generate excitement and interest. Whether you're promoting a conference, concert, or trade show, a promotional video can be a powerful tool for driving attendance and engagement. So, it is very important to create promotional videos for events.